So friends, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the Godrej Inverter AC remote in great detail and in simple terms. So let's start the video. You can see the power button on the remote. With this, you can turn the AC on and off. The next button is the temperature up-down button. Now, the more you press the temperature down button, the lower the temperature will be. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will provide. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now, the more you press the temperature up button, the higher the temperature will be, and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 30 degrees. If you only need cooling and want to reduce your electricity bill, use 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. If you feel too cool at 26 degrees, set your AC's temperature to 27 degrees. And if you feel hot at 26 degrees, set your AC's temperature to 25 or 24. The next button after that is mode. The mode button has 5 functions. Pressing the mode button will display the mode on the remote. Currently the mode is cool. Currently the mode is dry. Currently the mode is fan. Currently the mode is heat. Currently the mode is auto. Now I will explain the modes in detail in very simple terms. The next mode after that is cool. In cool mode, all the buttons on the AC remote will work, and the AC will cool in this mode, and in cool mode, the AC will cool as per your requirement. The next mode after that is dry. You can use dry mode during the rainy season. Rainy season has a lot of humidity and sticky heat, so using the AC in dry mode removes that humidity. The next mode after that is fan mode. In fan mode, the AC will not provide cooling. Only the indoor unit fan will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you don't need AC cooling and only want to use the AC fan, then you can use fan mode. The next mode after that is heat. Note that you can use heat mode only if your AC supports heat mode. If your AC doesn't support heat mode, you can't use heat mode. If your AC supports heat mode, you can use heat mode to warm your room during cold weather. After that, press the mode button again and the auto mode will switch to auto mode. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and operate as per its own discretion. The next button is fan. This is for the speed of the fan that blows air from the indoor unit. It operates in 4 speeds. Currently, the fan speed is set to auto. Currently, the fan speed is set to low. Currently, the fan speed is set to medium. Currently, the fan speed is set to high. You can adjust the fan speed to your liking. If you need to cool your room quickly, set the fan speed to high. The next button is 5-in-1 convert. 5-in-1 convertible in Godrej Inverter AC means that you can set the AC's cooling capacity, tonnage, differently from the remote between 40%, 60%, 80%, 100%, and 110%, helping you save electricity and get the cooling you need. This allows you to adjust the AC cooling capacity based on the size of the room and the number of people in the room. Energy saving. When you don't need full capacity, you can save power by reducing the capacity, thereby reducing your electricity bill. You can easily switch between different cooling modes using the convertible 5-in-1-inch button on the remote. The 5-in-1 convertible feature lets you adjust the AC's cooling capacity from 40% to 110% as per your requirement. C5 operates at 110% capacity, C4 operates at 100% capacity, C3 operates at 80% capacity, C2 operates at 60% capacity, C1 operates at 40% capacity. The next button is sleep. Sleep mode on Godrej Inverter AC gradually increases the temperature throughout the night so you can sleep comfortably. This is a low power mode that helps you save energy. The AC gradually increases the temperature by 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius per hour, up to a maximum of 3 degrees Celsius per hour. When the desired temperature is reached, the AC automatically shuts off and turns back on. Sleep mode helps you fall asleep easily. It helps you fall back asleep quickly if you wake up in the middle of the night and can extend the life of your system and reduce AC servicing costs. Those who want to sleep comfortably without overcooling and save money on electricity bills can use sleep. The next button is turbo. Generally, whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor starts in 3 minutes, but by pressing the turbo button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you need quick cooling, then you can use the turbo button. In this the room cools very quickly. The next button is iSense. iSense is a great feature designed for your comfort. Typically, the indoor unit itself has a sensor that senses the temperature around the indoor unit, not just the temperature where you are sitting. Some Godrej models, if equipped with the iSense function, have two sensors. One sensor is located in the indoor unit, and the other is located in the remote. The next button is V-Swing. This button is for the front swing of the AC. It works up and down. Using this swing will spread the AC's cooling quickly throughout the room, and wherever you want the swing flap to stop, pressing this button will stop the AC flap, and pressing this button again will automatically activate the swing flap. The next button is Display. Pressing the Display button will turn off your AC's display, but your AC will remain on. You can use this button only to turn off the AC's display light. The next button is Timer. Pressing the Timer button displays the timer's off time. To automatically turn off the AC, we first need to set the timer's off time. Let's say I want my AC to automatically turn off in 5 hours. So, I'll set 5 hours using the temperature up and down buttons on the remote. Now that I've integrated the timer's off time into the remote, the timer will automatically turn off. You can only set the timer's off time with this button. If you want to cancel the timer, press the power button twice, and the timer will be cancelled. I hope you understood the information I provided. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel.